Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making one of my hubby's absolute favorites, home fries. He actually got this recipe from a diner in the Strip, and anyone who's ever been down at the Pittsburgh Strip knows how good their food is. And he came home with the recipe, and I've been making it for him ever since. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is 3 pounds of potatoes, cooked and peeled and then sliced. 1 stick of butter and paprika. Salt and pepper are optional. The first thing I did was boil 3 pounds of potatoes until they were fork tender, which they are now. So I'll turn off the flame, drain the hot water, rinse them under cool water, and wait until they become cool enough for me to touch. Then I'll be peeling them. Okay, I've drained all the hot water. They are now soaking in very cold water. And I'll repeat this process once the water gets warm. And it's starting to. And then I will just let them cool until they're easy enough to handle and I can peel them. First thing I do is cut the butter and put it in a very large pan. Once that's melted, I'll be adding paprika. Okay, butter's all melted and I'm just sprinkling in the paprika. Just stir it up a little bit just to mix it in well. And then start putting in the potatoes. Get all the potatoes in, and I'm just turning them gently. And add a little more paprika to the top. And when you got it turned enough, you won't be able to see this because it'll be turned under. So that way you kind of make sure you get it all. And this is going to cook for a while on medium to low heat until it all gets cooked all the way through. It starts to brown just a little bit, not too much, and it's heated all the way through. And these are just about done. And they're ready to be plated. And serve them up to my hubby, which will make him incredibly happy. If you like what you saw, like, share, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.